When I grew up in Aalborg, it was not a very multicultural city. Nowadays it is. We have a lot of citizens coming from all over the world. And it's important for Aalborg to have different cultures here, because nowadays the world is small and Aalborg wants to be a global city. That means that in our educations we have people from other countries. They make the educations better. It means our companies, they have a possibility to have employees from all over the world, and that means the trade is getting easier, the multiplicity is getting bigger in the companies, and we know the result is getting bigger. But not only that, our culture is growing when we have people that's not all the same, but are different and coming with the different impulses within the culture. And I have to say, personally, when I walk around in Aalborg and hear all different languages, when I see different clothes, when I see people having different food, it really makes me happy and proud of my city. Because in Aalborg we say, Aalborg is crazy about the world, and I hope the most of you is getting crazy about Aalborg, because we need you here.